How to get Peacock on Roku TV. I'm going to tell you how to get Peacock on a Roku television. First, make sure your Roku TV is connected to the internet and signed in with your Roku account. From the home screen, scroll down and select Streaming Channels. This opens the Roku channel store. Go to Search Channels and type in Peacock. It should appear in the results right away. Select it, then hit Add Channel. Once it's added, press OK and then choose Go to Channel. If you already have a Peacock account, log in with your email and password. If not, create one at peacocktv.com using your phone or computer. Peacock offers a free plan with ads, plus 2 paid plans, Premium and Premium Plus, for more content and fewer interruptions or ads. Once logged in, you're ready to stream everything from live sports and news to hit shows and movies, all from your Roku TV.